If you are a nursing mother and you are not immunizing your baby, you are not keeping up with the dates, you are doing your child more harm than good. Good day everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Miss Mary, popularly known as a nurse with the difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for students. Today we're going to be talking about the various immunization that we give to our babies and at what age. I just finished immunizing the babies, and we have more than 100 babies that we have to immunize today in my health center. So if you are a nursing mother, you are a pregnant woman, I believe this video is for you. But before we go into the details, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. For our returning subscribers, we say thank you. Let's go there. Right, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today we're going to be discussing the various vaccines that mothers need to give their children immediately after birth till when they are 5 years of age. So as a mother, immediately you give birth to a child, within the first 2 weeks, it is advisable you immunize your children. So what is the child going to take during this first 2 weeks? The child is going to be taking BCG, which is your Bacillus camelli guarin. Then your child has to take hepatitis B vaccine and also oral polio vaccine. These 3 vaccines is what your child needs to take immediately after birth. Then after that day, the healthcare practitioner, the nurse, the midwife, or the community health extension worker is going to give you your next appointment. So the next appointment is going to be 6 weeks from birth. So at 6 weeks, you take your baby back to the immunization center, and by this time, your baby is going to be receiving 3 injections and 1 oral polio vaccine. So your baby is going to be taking Penta 1, your baby is going to be taking PCV 1, and your baby is going to be taking IPV 1 and oral polio vaccine, OPV. IPV is inactivated polio vaccine. Then your Penta 1 is made up of 5 vaccines in one, which is going to be taken, which we are going to be giving to your child. So you're going to be taking Penta 1, PCV pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, IPV inactivated polio vaccine, and oral polio vaccine. Then the next appointment is going to be 10 weeks. 10 weeks. So 10 weeks, you are expected to bring your baby back for vaccination. At 10 weeks, you are back to the health center. So your baby is going to be taking Penta 2, IPV 2, and oral polio vaccine 2. Remember, Penta is made up of 5 different vaccines in one. Penta 2, Penta 2, PCV 2, and oral polio vaccine 2. Then after 10 weeks, they're going to give you an appointment, which is 14 weeks from birth. 14 weeks from. The child is going to be taking Penta 3, it's going to be taking PCV 3, it's going to be taking IPV 2, and oral polio vaccine 3. So at 14 weeks, your child is going to be taking 4 vaccines, 3 injections, and 1 oral polio vaccine. So after this one, your child will be given 6 months appointments. That's 6 months from birth. So at 6 months, you bring your child back to the health center for another one. So at this time, your child is going to be taking vitamin A, the first dose of vitamin A at 6 months. So after the 6 months vaccine, your child is going to come back for 9 months vaccine. And 9 month vaccine is made up of 3 different injections. At 9 months, your child is going to be taking measles, your child is going to be taking meningococcal vaccine, which is your meningitis. Then your child is going to be taking yellow fever vaccine at 9 months. At 9 months, your child is going to be taking what? Measles, yellow fever, and Men-A, which is for meningitis. It's going to be taking those 3 vaccines when the child is 9 months. So after 9 months, your next appointment is going to be a year. Your child is going to be giving what? Vitamin A, the second dose of vitamin A. So after a year, your child is going to be coming from another vaccine, which is a year 3 months. A year 3 months, which is usually measles 2. So measles 2 will be given to your child when your child is what? A year 3 months. A year 3 months, the next appointment is going to be a year 6 months. a year 6 months, your child is going to be given the third dose of vitamin A. So after a year 6 months, your next appointment will be 6 months interval. A year 6 months, you come for vitamin A. 2 years, you come for vitamin A. 2 years 6 months, vitamin A. 3 years, vitamin A. 3 years 6 months, vitamin A. 4 years, vitamin A. 4 years 6 months, vitamin A. And 5 years, vitamin A. Then we can say your child has fully completed the full requirements to own this card. So you will agree with me that whenever you come to register for immunization, the very first day, they're going to give you this card. You can see how the card looks like. It's a card where the details of the child is being placed in, the child's name, the date of birth, the mother's name, the caregiver's name, the primary health center that where the child is being immunized. This is the card that contains it all. So your next date of vaccination is usually placed here. The date, the month is placed here. Hope you can see it. The date, the month, and the year. So it's placed here. So after each immunization, always look out for this card for the next date of immunization. So that is that. I have to share with you about the various types of immunization that is being given to your child in the healthcare center, a primary health care. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. Thank you very much. For those that are student nurses and have not registered for our classes on Telegram, sincerely, you have been missing a lot. All you have to do is to send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. But before I go into details, let me give you a view of our health centers, because we just finished immunizing the babies, and the cleaners, they are done cleaning. You can see, come in. A quick view. Yeah, they're done. So they've packed the chairs back. We just finished up. So this is where we immunize the baby. Outside is where we do most of our recordings. You call them in and all that. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day. We say bye.